near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin, until 10:30 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Cleveland to 24 nautical miles south of Oshkosh to 50 nautical miles west of Milwaukee, moving southeast at 40 knots. The line will arrive at the shoreline between 9 and 9:30 p.m. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.